up, bro?
Philippines!
Philippines! Damn, e-bike. VinFast. So, nag-rent si Dog ng VinFast. E-bike, 150k for 24 hours, right? And I got the... May battery. Nasaan yung battery?
2 helmets.
2 helmets.
2 batteries.
2 batteries. E-bike. E-bike na scooter. Let's see.
1 battery, 1 battery.
So, yun.
So pag naloba to, remove ko lang dito, lipat ko naman dito.
So, ito yung internal. Tapos ito yung extra. Siguro, no?
Yeah.
The 2 helmets.
So fast. 2 modes, eco mode and sports mode.
Yeah, gets you around the city. If it's a V, it's VinFast. So may phone holder din, side mirrors, digital cluster, horn,
Show
left
the
and
digital
right.
gauge. Hey.
Hey!
Eco and sports mode.
Eco Sports, 3 bars na lang.
Sports.
31 degrees, 1,000 kilometers, mahigitan na takbo. So it's nice to go around the city if you want to save. Kasi syempre, you have to book Grab and, get taxi or...
If you convert 150k, that's only 365,000. 365 pesos.
For 24 hours, right?
24 hours.
Yeah. And then, yun lang. Kahit anong ID.
National ID nga, binigay ko.
So yun guys, once again, if you want to go around Vietnam, Da Nang, check the e-bike. So magandang option para madali to go around the city. Alright? So follow me for more. Bye!